Hi, my name is Katie and I'm excited to be your virtual trainer for today. This video provides an overview of how businesses can choose how staff members' names are displayed in widgets. Businesses can now customize how their staff members' names appear in the Custom Schedule widget, the Standard Schedule widget, the Appointment widget, and the Staff widget. Businesses can find this customization setting under Setup, Web Applications, Client Web App. So here I am on the Client Web App settings page, and if I scroll down, I can find the staff name settings. Here is where I can choose how to display the staff's name in both the Client Web App and the previously mentioned widgets. So we're going to choose to display the staff's name with the first name and last initial in the Client Web App, Mobile Applications, and Widgets. When you're all set with your staff name settings, click Save to save these settings. Here we are using an emulator to show how the staff widget would look on a business's website. And we can see that the staff's name shows with the first name and last initial, just as we set up in the back end. Once again, I am using an emulator to show how the Standard Schedule widget would look on a business's website. And you can see that the staff names display according to how we set them up in the Client Web App settings with the staff member's first name and last initial. And that concludes the video for setting how staff members' names can be displayed in widgets. This improvement now matches the functionality for how staff names can be configured to display in all client-facing applications, which is great to keep that consistency. Thank you for watching.